Determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix, then the sum of the product of the elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors is defined as the determinant of the matrix. It is denoted by det A notation. You can use any one of these two. So I will explain you with example. I am taking one 3 by 3 general matrix. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix. Now determinant definition is sum of the products of the elements of any row or column. You can take any row elements or any column elements with their corresponding cofactors. Say for example, I am taking first row elements A11, A12, A13, corresponding cofactors. Cofactor of small aij is denoted by capital Aij. So A11 cofactor is capital A11, A12 cofactor is capital A12, A13 cofactor is capital A13. Element and its cofactor is multiplied and their sum plus. So this is given by determinant of A, determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So we have taken first row elements and the corresponding cofactors, multiplying every element by the corresponding cofactor and then add all, we get the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Then we know how to find the cofactors. Aij is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. Mij means minor. Now here A11 cofactor of the element A11 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 power is 2 even number plus M11 means minor of an element A11. That means eliminating first row and first column. Then remaining A22, A23, A32, A33. Next A12, that is minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. Minus 1 power is 3, so we get minus sign. M12, eliminate first row and second column. Then remaining elements A21, A23, A31, A33. Next A13, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 into M13. Minus 1 whole power 4 plus M13, eliminate first row and third column. Remaining elements A21, A22, A31, A32. So these are the cofactors of the first row elements. Now I am substituting those values in determinant of A. A11 into capital A11 is det of A22, A23, A32, A33 plus A12 into A12. So we have minus sign here, plus into minus becomes minus, here we get minus sign. A12 into A21, A23, A31, A33. Next again plus A13 into det of A13. A13 is here, that is det of A21, A22, A31, A32. So this is a way of finding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. After that we know how to expand these 2 by 2 determinants. AD minus BC formula everywhere. AD minus BC formula everywhere. So this I will explain you with one example, and observe once before going to that. In determinant of A, since we have taken first row elements, so first element is getting positive sign, next we are getting minus sign, after that again we are getting positive sign. So alternative signs are coming, plus minus plus, plus first element, here minus second element, plus third element. This is for the first row. If you take second row, the signs will be changed. It depends upon I value and j value. One example. For example, A is equal to data 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 3. I would like to find determinant of this matrix. So det A is equal to, we need to write data 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 3. So as we discussed in the definition, first element positive sign as it is we write. Now eliminate first row and first column. 5, minus 2, minus 1, 3. Next starting plus, next minus sign we take. I need to take element 2. Now eliminate first row and second column. Whichever the element you are taking, that row and column we should eliminate. So starting we have taken 1. That is the reason we eliminated first row and first column. Now we are taking 2. So eliminate first row and second column. The remaining elements 4, minus 2, 0, 3. Next again plus. Third element is minus 3. As it is you take with the sign. Now eliminate first row and third column. Remaining elements 4, 5, 0, minus 1. Now we know how to expand this. 5 into 3, 15. In formula minus is there. Minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. Minus 2 into 4 into 3, 12. Minus 0 into minus 2, 0. Plus into minus, minus 3. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Minus 0 into 5, 0. So is equal to 1 into 15 minus 2, 13. Minus 2 into 12. Minus 3 into minus 4. 13. Minus 24. Plus 12. So 13 plus 12. 25 minus 24. We get 1. So this is the way of finding determinant. But going forward, not required to write like this every time. So directly you can write this step. How? I will show you with one more example. Find the determinant of a matrix 7, minus 3, 4, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 4, 5. Direct determinant. So first element as it is we need to take. Now eliminate first row and first column. Then I need to take 1 into 5, 5 minus 4 into 0, 0. Second element we need to take minus. Actual second element is minus 3. Now eliminate first row and second column. 2 into 5, 10, minus 1 into 0, 0. Again plus. Third element 4, take it as it is. Now eliminate first row and third column. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So 7 into 5 plus 3 into 10, 4 into minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. 35 plus 30 minus 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. 35 plus 2 is 37. This is a way of finding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix.